Hello everyone, this is Project Caritas and I'm Stefan Dimov, and in today's episode we are going to have truly authentic unbox experience with Authentic House. Authentic House are tailored subscription and one-off boxes full of environmentally friendly products which aim is to inspire you on your path to ethical living. The box we have here is the birthday box. The large birthday box is £35 and the small one is £25. However, if you are to use our coupon code Caritas10, you get 10% off. Boom! Further to this, for every birthday box sold, Authentic House will donate 50p to Trees of Cities and Rewilding Britain. Okay, now it's time to find out what's in the box. I'm so excited about this box. Out. Okay, so the first gift is a pair of bamboo socks by Thought. Let's try them, shall we? Thought socks are consciously crafted socks made from the planet's strongest, softest and most sustainable fabrics. Next we have Ahimsa Soy Candles. That smells good, really good. Ahimsa Soy Candles are herbal-inspired vegan candles made from 100% natural soy wax infused with a blend of premium fragrance and essential oils, and I must admit that it smells really good. Okay, next I see something very familiar. I see Primal Sets. Primal Sets are all natural, all vegan soaps which we already reviewed on our channel. Primal Sets are probably the most unusual soap you've ever seen, so make sure to go check out the video, link in the description below. Oh, I love Primal. Okay, what else do we have here? We have an exfoliating konjac sponge. Nice. For those of you who are not familiar with the konjac sponge, like me before this video, basically the konjac sponges are used to cleanse, exfoliate and nourish the skin. Moving forward, what do we have here? The Tiger Nut Company. Always squeeze your nuts gently. Wait a second. Okay, Oscar, what on earth are tiger nuts? Oh, you're a leopard, not a tiger. Ah. Alexa? What are tiger nuts?
Cyperus esculentus is a crop of the sedge family widespread across much of the world.
Okay, so basically tiger nuts are little powerhouses full of nutrition, energy and taste. They're also gluten-free, grain-free, lactose-free and high in fiber, and I have been told that they have a delicious taste. Okay, well I guess I have to try them for myself. You want some? Okay. Next. Boom! Organic lip balm. Also, what I really like about this lip balm is that it comes in this super cool metal tin rather than in a plastic tube. Okay, and last, ladies and gentlemen, we have this Pea Shoots microgreens kit. We have 2 packs of Pea Search, and instructions on how to grow your pea shoots. Okay, that's pretty cool. To be honest, the idea of having this in your birthday box, it's quite nice because this way you kind of like have the opportunity to give birth to another living organism on your birthday, which is quite nice. Okay guys, well, I guess these were all of the products inside the large birthday box. However, if you would like to go through this amazing unbox experience every month and discover other eco-friendly and ethical products like these, you can go on the Authentic House website and start your eco-friendly box subscription. Link in the description below. Well guys, that was everything from me and Project Caritas. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. See you next time.